Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I remove my gel polish at home for an affordable price. So everything I bought here was either from the Pound Shop, Sainsbury's or Amazon or Hollywood Nails. So this is the Miley gel polish remover. It's a liquid that is created to remove gel polish safely at home without damaging your fingers, and I'm going to be putting this to the test versus 100% acetone. You should start off by removing the top layer of the gel polish, just going with a nail file to make the area rough and remove the shiny area or the shiny layer. This way the gel polish remover can work faster. And in the video that might look like my right hand, but it's actually my left hand. In real life, it's because the screen is flipped, so the Miley is on my left hand and the acetone will be on my right hand. And this is where I messed up because the foils kept falling off my fingers. So next time I will lay them all out on the table and prepare them first before wrapping it around my 10 fingers. It's either that or you have to do one hand at a time. And this is what I mean by preparing it first. And after 10 minutes or so, I just take them off to have a look. And this is a wooden stick that I got from, I think it was McDonald's. It's a coffee stirrer, so you can use this or you can use the wooden sticks that are provided in the nail section at the pharmacy. I think they're called orange sticks, and you just use those to gently push back the cuticle layer, or in this case push away the gel polish that you don't want on your nails anymore. And this is the side that has the acetone on top. You can see that it's coming off much more smoother and faster. It glides off a lot easier, in my opinion. So now I'm just removing the stubborn areas with the nail file to make sure that I get absolutely everything off, or as much as possible off. And to repair my skin and my nails, I'm just soaking them in some warm soapy water. And now I'm just going around the edge of the fingernails to shape them up. So this is a Sally Hansen nail strengthener. It's not a polish, and you're supposed to let it dry in between and add 3 coats. So that's exactly what I did, but I'm only showing you 1 coat on camera. And last but not least, I'm going in to just moisturize my hands. You can use whatever cream you have at home. And next I'm going in with some cuticle oil, and I think it's important to use a cream and an oil because you want the hands to be thoroughly moisturized. Oil is actually not a moisturizer, it's a sealant. So it adds nourishment, shine, and it seals the moisture in. And these are my end results. Thanks for watching, guys.